What's going on, guys? God bless you. Carlos here with Serranos Mobile Detail here in Dallas, Texas. First off, happy Sunday. I hope you guys are having a blessed day with your family. I hope you guys had a great Christmas as well. We are feeling better. The only downside I think right now that I am feeling is a little bit of fatigueness. Breath is a little bit on the downside. Short breaths, if that makes sense. And no matter what I'm doing, whether I'm sitting, standing, I am sweating like no tomorrow. And let me show you guys how bad I sweat now after COVID. Look at that, it's like a puddle, guys. But other than that, guys, I'm just blessed to be alive, to be honest. At the end of the day, we've lost a lot of friends due to COVID-19. And I, at one point, for this much, losing my faith, I thought I was going to be another number added to that. But my faith stays strong. My prayers, thank you to everybody who actually took time out of their day to contact me, to those who have sent some money through PayPal or through Zelle, those who reached out and wanted to help. Guys, God bless you. Truly, it's a blessing. But anyways, enough about me, and let's get to this video. Many have asked me, if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen me post my daughter's shoes for quite some time, kind of giving you guys an update on how they are holding up after I coated them. I'm happy to announce, guys, we're going on week 9. She uses those shoes literally every day at school, and guys, they literally look like day one. The only thing that is dirty is her shoelaces. All right. But many have asked, hey Carlos, can you do a video on your process on coating a brand new pair of shoes? When is the best time to coat your shoes? Is as soon as you get them, especially if they're vinyl or they're leather, such as these Jordans. These are my son's. He just got them. He's been wanting a pair of Jordans for the longest, and finally he got a pair and he has been excited. So today's video is going to be very quick. I hope very informative to you guys on how to coat a pair of brand new shoes. What you're gonna need is, obviously, for this video, I'm using CMX, their Surface Prep by Mothers. You're also gonna be needing some paint thinner for the in, and I'll show you for what. You're gonna be needing a coating. For this video, we're gonna be using DPC, the TMR. This is a marine coating, but does very well on vinyls, on plastics, on leathers, paint. This thing does very well. And you're also gonna be needing some towels. All right, if you're gonna do it the traditional way, a application sponge, or for this video we're gonna be using my little airbrush kit that I purchased on Amazon. I apologize for the coughing beforehand, guys. I am sorry. I'm doing my very best to control that. So we're gonna be using this airbrush kit that I bought off Amazon, and as always, I'm losing this little lid, so I have to order a new one. But we're gonna be using this one for the video, and I'm gonna show you guys how I am using it. So let's get started. These are brand new. They've been used probably for a week already. So what I went ahead, just to kind of speed the process up on this video, is I went ahead and washed these up with Dawn dish soap, just to kind of remove a little bit of the dirt that it had. And then now we're going to be using the Mother's CMX Surface Prep. This is your IPA to remove any waxes, any sealants, anything like that. Again, this is just my way, guys. So, you know, this may not be the way you're going to do it, but if you want to, you definitely can. And let me get this camera up a little bit closer so you guys can see what we are doing here. So, all right, that's perfect. All right, so what I tend to do, guys, is I will spray the spray on them. What this is going to do, guys, is it's going to start removing this like the protection that the leather has. All right, so after I spray it, I'm gonna wipe them off And this is very quick, guys. Very, very quick. All right, just like that. We remove that protection that the leather has. And while I'm showing you guys, I'm gonna post a video of my daughter's shoes on the water behavior going on 9 weeks after I apply the coating. But so far, it has really helped my my daughter's shoes from getting dirty. Even on the rainy days when there's mud, they have a little bit of mud, and we just grab a towel and wipe them off, and that's it. All right, so we have successfully wiped the shoes down with the prep spray. It's now time to coat. So as always, guys, make sure you wear a respirator as well. I purchased this one from a Walmart, and we're not going to coat. All right, y'all, so right now I have the air compressor is at 40, so I'm going to drop it down to 30 psi, guys, and let's have some fun. All right, so after we spray the shoe, we'll just kind of give it a couple of seconds while the shoe just kind of takes the blending process very quick. Obviously right now they look a little bit glossy, but once we remove the coating, they're gonna look really nice. So the temperature right now, we're in the 65, it's like around 60s, so it's just perfect. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and just blend the coating in. And a lot of people were asking, they were saying that they want to see it when it expands. Obviously I'm assuming it was from the creasing. His shoe already has the crease, so this leather has expanded, if that makes sense. All right, and there we have it, guys. Look how quick and easy this is. And now he has a shoe coated. So look at that, they kind of look about the same after coated. This obviously left one is coated and right side isn't coated. All right, let's just go ahead and finish this other one. I need to buy another little top for this. Oh, don't forget your mask, Carlos. We don't need you to get any worse. All right. This one is finally coated, guys. And while this one just cures really quickly, last thing, if you're using a airbrush kit, guys, what I tend to do is I'll grab some paint thinner, and all I will do is just, the paint thinner, what it's gonna do, guys, is gonna clean out the gun. And usually I'll just throw it back into the barrel. And that should be good. I'll throw the rest in there. And just to make sure, I'll get some of this wax and grease remover just to finish clearing out the gun. Perfect. And there you have it, guys. I hope this video helped you guys out on maybe coating your shoes. Very quick, very easy, guys. The cost, I've done a couple shoes for a couple of customers. I guess when I posted the I'm gonna go ahead and just level out the coating on the shoe. I've had a couple customers who give me their brand new pair of shoes after I've done the videos, obviously showcasing my daughter's shoes, and the cost for both pairs is $80, and I've done a couple of those. So $80 will get your brand new pair of shoes prepped and coated. Obviously, a lot of the customers who have collector shoes or whatever, they don't use those on the daily. You know, you can charge up to $100 if you want, $50 a pair. But you know, there are people out there who want their shoes protected, especially if they're white or any color. But I know white is usually a little bit of the tougher, you know, material to keep clean. Now, yes, they do sell some stuff at malls and stuff, and those aren't very strong, in my opinion. They don't do well. But with the coating, I have tested my daughters. I spilled water on them. I've spilled soda on them. What else? I spilled some other stuff with color, and it literally just beads right off. And every time we'll just wipe it off, and you're good to go. So I hope today's video kind of showcased a little bit on how we can, one, protect our shoes, two, keep them cleaner in the long run, and three, create an extra income. I know for some this may be nothing, for others there's hustlers out there that love this. This is a great add-on to your package if you advertise it. Purses, you know, if your customer have those high-end purses, Louis Vuitton, anything that's leather, vinyl, you can do it this process with the airbrush gun, or you can do it the traditional way with a coating application sponge. It doesn't matter what route you take. But anyways, I hope you guys have a great Sunday. Thank you so much again for your support, for your love, your prayers. I felt them, and we can only go up from here. So as always, God bless you guys, and I hope I'll see you tomorrow with another video. I'll see you later.